Change is the only constant in life. Your ability to adapt to these changes is what determines your success. It's scary having to move away from somewhere you've called home for over 20 years. And it's scarier having to create a new home in an unfamiliar place. But it's part of life, so this is officially my first home in Canada. The place is really small, I know, but what caught my eye in this house was the balcony. I don't even call it a balcony because it's a bungalow. It's really so beautiful. Like I could already imagine how it would look during the summer. It just gives me enough space to come out when I'm, bored. The room itself is really small, but I'm gonna make it mine. It's empty, and so I have to get like decors. And speaking of which, I actually have a lot of places to run to today. I have to get to Dollarama, maybe Walmart, and Value Village. I don't have time. Let me see. It's already 11:33, so I kind of have to run. So shopping time. I just got back. Today was so hectic. It's like 7 p.m. right now. Ignore the fact that it's bright. It's 7 p.m. and I went out like, let's say 12. I'm exhausted. Like so exhausted, and I spent a lot of money. So I just picked this up. So officially we are gonna start the room decor. So let's go. I'm gonna be starting with my desk area because that's literally where, or rather what I shopped for. So let's do this. I know people say home is where family is at, which is true. But when you find yourself far from home, you have to do things that makes your new place feel like home. I have a very soft and easy personality, so whenever I stay somewhere, I just try to incorporate that in my space, just so I feel some sort of familiarity. So yeah, I made this tiny space into my new home here in Canada.